So my Korok friend here needs to go over there. But what if we Mario 64 penguin him? Goodbye. Oh my god, he's a magician! Hello there everyone, and welcome back to The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. Today we're heading to do the last two shrines of the Great Sky Island, or the Great Plateau. I'm actually recording this right after I recorded the first episode, so I don't know how well it did. But if you want to see more, like, comment, and subscribe. But first we have to get some spicy food, because Link really likes his spicy food. Okay, so our first shrine is up this hill in a snowy area. And from what I know, I have to climb up here, so I gotta leave my goofy looking rock. Okay, it's cold. Gonna have to get used to a new inventory. First game. Confirm raft and Zonai device operational status. Per my briefness, do you require a raft? The ones by rank are ready for use. The Zonai device has also been inspected. Right, I can Huh. What the? Okay, so I was experimenting, like, quickly. So I'm assuming I can upgrade that eventually, but I also have this, a wing piece. Okay. Let's try this. I have a very funny idea to do eventually, being using the fuse ability to just kind of blow up a construct with a plane. Restless Cricket, another thing that's from the first game. Holy cow, there's so much stuff here. Flint! Yes! I love Flint. Smash. I'm a Link after all. Again, I want to know what's going on with Rauru, because Rauru was the Sage of Light in Ocarina, and, well, he hasn't appeared since, because, you know, he kind of, like, sealed Ganon in the adult timeline is dead. And I don't know what's going on with him in the child timeline. Rauru! Nice to see you again, buddy. So you've made it here. Now then, extend your right hand. Since I get, like, the rune abilities right away. Which one is this? Is it gonna be rewind? The one that goes up, or whatever the other one is. Fuse. Ascend. We gotta ascend. I wanna get Fuse. Okay. I wanna get Fuse. Fuse is the one that I really want. Gutenbach Shrine. Alright. Nice. Arc. Okay, my cold res is almost up, so I don't have an easy way down. And I'm out. How does that fall enough to kill Link? Well, it's good to see the game over screen's the exact same. Discovery Bottomless Cave. Bomb Flower? Wait, we haven't had bonfires since, like, Majora's Mask. Oh my god, this is all new. Cool. So that's what those are from the trailer. It's technically not bottomless cave, it's just a cave. Oh, what the hell is that? What the hell are you? I need to figure out what the hell this is. Because this is awesome. Wait a second, if I kind of do stuff like that. Ah. Whoops. I didn't think you would, like, one-shot me. Oh, but he also ate the bomb. And I got my stick back. Okay, that's cool. I like that. I just have to not get eaten. Seriously, just an opal. Like stone. Wait, that's a like? Wait, what's a like again? Aren't those, I'll look at what a like is later. Wait, Korok! Korok with backpack! Huh, you can see me. I'm a Korok and one of the children of the forest. I was traveling with my friend, but we got separated. Oh, it's only over there. Okay. I'll help you. Yeah, let's help this Korok, I guess. So my Korok friend here needs to go over there. But what if we Mario 64 penguin him? Goodbye. Oh my god, he's a magician! Korok friend, we're going on an adventure. Okay. We are now at your friend. Just gonna wiggle you off. Okay. Yeah. Cork shit. Nice. What do you gotta say? Made it thanks to you. Nice. Pondside Cave. Now I'm just looking for any loot inside of it that's actually good. Archaic tunic. Okay, that's important. Now we get like the whole trailer look. I should probably get all the eyeballs because I know Fuse is gonna need them. What the hell is that? What are you? What the heck? Bubble gem. Bubble frogs. Alright. Sure, I don't know what the heck that was. I can't get in there because I don't have any bomb. Oh, wait a minute. was something like... Nope. Whoops! God damn it, I keep dying. Let's do it. Hey, Raru. Okay, extend my right hand, get the rune, blah blah blah. Is this gonna be fused? Please tell me it is. It's either gonna be fuse or rewind. Fuse, yes. Nice. Cool. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I got my rock stick with me. Raru, what you up to? I see you restored some power to that new arm of yours. The door into the temple should now open for you. Okay. But there's something I want to do first. Ever since I first saw the feasibility in this game, there's been one thing I wanted to do. And get hit by a stick was not it. It was smack an enemy with a bomb. Ah. Worth it. Alright, we're back at the Temple of Time. Let's see if we can find Zelda in it. With our help of our friend Raru. What the hell was that? Hope we get like a boss fight or something. Wonder if someone could climb that. Wait a second. Could I? Wait, I can climb the Temple of Time. Is there anything up here? Wait, there isn't anything up here? Yay, let me in. I found this can be like an Ocarina of Time where I have to collect like the 7 MacGuffins to like get in and like beat the game. What are you? Zelda? Okay, there's a rewind. Or what I believe is rewind. That's it? We got a new thing on her arm and poof. Recall. Huh. Recall. The ability to reverse the movement of an object through time. And Zelda has vanished as well. What you just saw, it's a mystery even to me. Perhaps it was a sort of echo, one that reflects her sheer will. Now that you've been given this ability, no doubt it will prove important. Okay, now what? Crap. I'm going to do this next episode. Thank you all for watching and see you guys next time.